Recall activity 1.1. When magnesium ribbon burns with a dazzling flame in air and changes into white substance, magnesium oxide. Is magnesium being oxidized or reduced in this reaction? The equation is magnesium plus oxygen forming magnesium oxide. This is the white color substance formed. Now when you see this reaction, oxygen is getting added to magnesium. Magnesium is combining with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. और addition of oxygen को क्या बोलते हैं? Addition of oxygen को बोलते हैं oxidation. So this is oxidation reaction. Correct? Next, have you observed the effects of oxidation reactions in everyday life? What are the effects of oxidation reaction in everyday life? पहला तो है corrosion, second है rancidity. What is corrosion? Iron articles shiny when new. When the iron articles are new, they have luster, they have shine. But after some time, when they are kept exposed to the air and moisture of the air, they get coated with a reddish brown powder. Okay, this process of iron getting coated with a reddish brown powder is called rusting. Same thing happens with copper and silver also. Copper utensils, when kept for a long time exposed to air and moisture, they turn green. Silver articles after some time get tarnished, the color becomes black. So there is effect of moisture on the metals. Moisture and acids, they tarnish the surface of the metal. This process is known as corrosion, and this happens due to the conversion of the metal to its oxide. In case of copper, it gets converted into its carbonate and hydroxide. So metal reacts with oxygen, carbon dioxide, moisture of the air, and it may get converted into its oxide, it may get converted into its carbonate or hydroxide and may lose its luster, and this phenomenon is known as corrosion. Correct? So you must have observed that iron articles are shiny when new but get coated with reddish brown powder when left for some time. Okay? This process is commonly known as rusting of iron. Some other metals also get tarnished in this manner. Have you noticed the color of the coating formed on copper and silver? When metal is attacked by substances around it, such as moisture, acids, etc., it is said to corrode, and this process is called corrosion. So what is corrosion? When metal is attacked by substances around it, what substances? Moisture, acids, etc. It is said to corrode, and this process is known as corrosion. The black coating on silver and the green coating on copper are other examples of corrosion. The green coating on copper is of basic copper carbonate. Corrosion causes damage to car bodies, bridges, iron railings, ships, and to all objects made up of metal, especially those of iron. Corrosion of iron is a serious problem. Every year an enormous amount of money is spent to replace damaged iron. Next is rancidity. What is rancidity? Fats and oils, they get oxidized by the atmospheric oxygen and they turn rancid. They turn rancid means their smell and taste changes. When fats and oils are oxidized, so what is the process, what is the chemical process which is causing rancidity? It is the oxidation. ठीक है? They become rancid and their smell and taste change. Usually substances which prevent oxidation, antioxidants, are added to foods containing fats and oil. So food that contains fats and oils, to this food substances known as antioxidants are added. Why? To prevent oxidation of the fat and oil present in the food, thus preventing the change in the smell and taste of the food. Keeping food in airtight containers helps to slow down oxidation. Okay, keeping food in airtight container will not prevent oxidation, but it will slow down oxidation. Do you know that chips manufacturers usually flush bags of chips with gas such as nitrogen to prevent the chips from getting oxidized? So what is the gas used to prevent the oxidation of the chips? It is the nitrogen gas.